Have you been trying several methods and attempts to fix a recurring trading mistake, but as a matter of fact, none of them work? It might be time for you to rethink your approach to fixing trading problems. If this is you, stay with me till the end of the video because this might be the answer you are looking for. It's quite ironic, but the best way of approaching your weaknesses in trading, meaning your trading mistakes and flaws, is by utilizing plans of action that call on your strengths. In order for you to break an autopilot undesired pattern, you need tons of energy to counter it. So it just makes sense for you to utilize a plan of action that actually energizes you and gives you the stimuli needed for you to break it when it's most needed. So breaking a pattern involves 3 steps that we've talked about actually in the past post. And these are: number 1, recognition. You need the self-awareness of the early signs that the pattern is starting to happen. Then you need interruption, saying stop to the pattern. And then you need replacement. So you cannot change a behavior without a replacement activity. So let's say you're struggling with impulsivity in your trading, taking impulsive entries off strategy. If you hate journaling, if journaling is not for you, if you have difficulty articulating your thoughts on paper, then it doesn't make sense for you to go for a replacement activity that involves journaling, because it will not stimulate you, motivate you, or energize you in order for you to break that pattern. If you're more of a visual person, then perhaps it makes more sense for you to implement a replacement activity that involves a screenshot or an image of a past trade that incurred in a significant loss in order for you to be able to recall the consequences very quickly at the right timing and stop the pattern immediately. For example, if you're more of a words or sentences person, you might enjoy mantras, affirmations, and having a sentence like a piece of logic that puts you in line and breaks the pattern might be the best idea for your replacement activity. If you've been trying to fix a specific recurring trading mistake, or you want to become a better emotional manager, then I have a free email course for you called Mindset Mastery, where I explore various practical techniques that you can directly apply in your trading to fix specific trading problems. So sign up below and go for it. So the point is, to overcome trading weaknesses and flaws in your trading, you still need to understand yourself, your strengths, and the methods that work best for you. It's not enough to implement any method and wait for it to work. So sometimes it takes a lot of trial and error. And this is the process that you signed up for, the self-discovery process that comes with trading mastery. So my current challenge to you involves 2 questions. The first one that I want to ask you is, what is the trading mistake that's been costing you more money over the past months? And second, what is one action plan that you can implement that calls to your strengths? Not any plan of action. Understand what you resonate better with, what action plan calls more to your strengths, and then go for it and implement it. Because by implementing methods that call to your strengths, you'll have the extra confidence, motivation, and energy that you will need to break the old pattern and initiate a new one. Much of your failed attempts to solve trading struggles can be solved with self-discovery, heightened self-awareness, and by doubling down on the things that actually work for you. So instead of trying to replicate the triggers for good performance of other traders, understand what works best for you and then implement more of it in your trading. And you'll not be disappointed. Peaceful trading, Sara.